ChatGPT will fight against day 10 of Advent of Code. Let's see what happens. So I will take the problem description and just paste it here and attach my input file. And let's see what happens when we run it. So first off, reading the map data and calculating the trailhead scores. So directions are correct. So it's checking if the position is valid. That makes sense. And then depth first search through the map. So it's getting the calculating the total score. And this is not the right solution to this part of the problem. It did reply with the right solution, but for a different part of the problem. This is the second part, but this is not correct. So this is not correct. Try again, validate. So yeah, let's give it another chance. But it's starting to become a common theme where ChatGPT solved the second part of the problem and does not solve the first part of the problem successfully. But in this case, it solved it even before knowing was the description of the problem. So that's a new thing. But yeah, this is better. So 538 is the result, and that matches the correct one. And now let's see if we now can give it the part 2 of the problem, and it can again calculate the right result based on that. So now try to solve advanced version of the problem. No, but right. So this is the advanced version. And I think now it should hopefully go back to the original implementation without tracking what it already visited. So I think that's the difference between those two approaches. Yeah, it was tracking the visited locations, and now it's not going to track those. And yeah, but yeah, it just is surprised that this matches the earlier result, but that's because it just accidentally came up with the right solution to the second part of the problem. So I think it's safe to let it safe to say it solved it correctly. So it's still trying because it's surprised it's the same solution, but yeah, it's actually correct. So okay, so it's going into some weird rabbit hole of trying to figure out what's wrong with the correct solution, which is not really that useful. I'll just let it finish its train of thoughts. But this would be a little bit confusing. So if you were to give it the original description, it would give you the right result to the second part, and you would know that the first part is wrong. So you would want it to correct itself, but then try the second part, and it would start into this rabbit hole of trying to fix what's not actually broken. That would be a confusing thing to do. So again, you cannot really trust AIs completely. You have to know what you're doing and kind of understand what is a correct approach and what is a correct result, what's a wrong result, because otherwise you will just end up with such a weird train of thoughts which doesn't lead anywhere. So yeah, I mean, this can go for a while, so I think we can safely skip the rest of the processing, and let's just say that ChatGPT did solve day 10, even though it had to correct itself once, but the result the results are there. So both parts of the problem were solved ultimately. And we'll see if it continues. With day 11, we are getting very close to the half of Advent of Code 2024. So far, the results are quite successful for ChatGPT. It's definitely much better than last year, even though it seems the problems are also more suitable for ChatGPT to solve. So it's not necessarily not necessarily because of ChatGPT's improvements, but it might actually be just that the problems are more suitable. So we'll see how it goes going forward, where the problems will get harder and harder for ChatGPT and for us to solve as well. So thank you for joining this video, and I will see you on day 11.